Well, every successful person has a past. Every mistake has a consequences, but should one mistake destroy an entire career forever? Now, that question is now being discussed across Britain's legal community after an Indian origin lawyer won a major victory in the court. Now, this particular case involves Anurag Mohindru, basically a senior barrister who was earlier disbarred after it was found that he had falsely claimed to have studied medicine at Oxford University while applying to a law chamber many years ago. However, following an appeal, the UK High Court ruled that although his conduct it was dishonest, permanently removing him from the legal profession, it was too severe for him. The court replaced the lifetime ban with temporary suspension, allowing him to resume legal practice. Now, this particular case has started an important debate here. Should people be punished for dishonesty? Absolutely. But should every mistake become a life sentence? Well, the High Court believed the answer was much more complicated here. The judges observed that the incident happened many years ago and that there was no continuing pattern of dishonest behavior afterwards. They believed the punishment should reflect both accountability and the possibility of somebody who will be honest in near future. And this particular story, it goes far beyond one lawyer. It reminds us that professional ethics matters a lot. Whether you are a doctor, whether you're a lawyer, an engineer, a journalist, trust is your biggest asset here. The moment people stop trusting you, everything else becomes meaningless. And at the very same time, the judgment also reflects another important principle. Justice is not always about punishments. It is also about fairness and sometimes giving somebody an opportunity to rebuild their lives. For many young professionals watching this story tonight, there is just one simple lesson. Never try to impress people with achievements that are not true. Your qualification, your real qualification will always take you further than a false claim ever can. Because building a reputation takes years, but losing it can take few seconds. And yes, while one Indian origin professional, he was fighting to rebuild his career, another Indian origin executive has just reached one of the highest positions in the corporate America. For decades, Indian professionals have very quietly climbed the corporate ladder across America. Today, they are no longer just employees. They are becoming CEOs, CFOs, board members, and business leaders running some of the world's biggest companies. Ladies and gentlemen, the latest name to join that growing list is Ravi Thanawala. American Eagle Outfitters have announced Ravi Thanawala as its new Chief Financial Officer. Before this particular announcement, he held senior leadership role at companies including Nike and Papa John's. In fact, his announcement comes at a time when the retail industry is facing economic uncertainty, making experienced financial leaders more and more important than ever before. And now think about what this really means. A chief financial officer, he is not just somebody who manages the account. The CFO helps decide how a company invests, how it grows, and how to handle financial risk and how to plan for the future. It is one of the most powerful positions inside a global organization. Now, Mr. Ravi's journey, it also reflects something larger here. Indian origin professionals are increasingly being trusted with leadership roles across different industries, including tech, retail, healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and customer business. This particular success, it cannot be accidental. It comes after years of education, hard work, professional discipline, and the ability to work across different cultures. Now, interestingly, Mr. Ravi has also faced racist comments on social media during an earlier role after his business decisions taken by the company attracted criticism. But instead of allowing a lot of negativity to define his career, he continued moving forward. And today he has earned another major leadership position. That sends a very powerful message. Success is not about avoiding the criticism. It is about continuing despite criticism. While his appointment also shows how deeply Indian origin professionals have become part of corporate America. From managing global brands to shaping billion-dollar financial decisions, their influence continues to grow every year.